Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadhil. I'm from class 5 ICP 3. Today, I want to explain about adaptation in animal. Adaptation is the process of adjusting according to the environment and situation. Why the adaptation is important? It is important to protect themselves from other animals that harm them. But the constant question is, how do these animals adapt? Well, there are three types of adaptation process in the animal world. That is 1. Behavioral, 2. Structural, and 3. Physiological. Let me take you through each one of them, one by one. First, behavioral adaptation. Adaptation that affect how an organism acts or response made by animals that help it to survive and reproduce. The example is bears. Bears are active and energetic animals, but every year during a winter, some of the bear species tend to go into hibernation or deep sleep, depending upon the snowfall, temperature, and food supply. Second, structural adaptation. This about animal inner and outer bodies that have helped them adapt to their environment, such as a giraffe. Tall neck that means it can live on tall trees. And the last, physiological adaptation. Special ways that animals' bodies work to help them survive in whatever condition. They are in such as camels. Camels is in the desert conserving weather and being able to go days without drinking. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.